HubSpot introduced a new feature in June designed to streamline access to Service Hub data. Today's Insights feed provides a centralized, real-time feed of key insights, helping teams stay on top of critical updates without digging through multiple dashboards or reports. But what does it actually do? The Insights feed consolidates important Service Hub metrics and updates into one easy-to-digest view. It's designed to help service teams quickly identify trends, track performance, and take action on key data points, all within their HubSpot workspace. Why is it useful? Well, number one, it provides real-time updates, so teams can monitor customer service performance as it happens, ensuring they're always working with the latest data. Number two, it improves efficiency. So by centralizing insights, the feed eliminates the need to switch between tools or manually compile reports. Number three, it allows you to take actionable insights. The feed highlights key metrics and trends, enabling teams to make informed decisions faster. With this new update, you can spot recurring issues or spikes in ticket volume and adjust resources accordingly. You can also monitor metrics like ticket resolution times or customer satisfaction scores to identify areas for improvement and use insights to address potential bottlenecks or even service gaps before they escalate. This feature is available to Service Hub Pro and Enterprise users and is seamlessly integrated into the HubSpot platform. Make sure you subscribe for more updates. Happy HubSpotting.